Welcome to Learn a Bit. Thanks for joining.
Hello, now that we got that out of the way, I haven't done this in a while, so we're going to see how
using
definitely don't want to watch the live stream like a pro. But we're going to head over to Google. I'm going to try a different style of something that I haven't done before. I'm just going to set up as we go. Alright, so let's go to TradingView. For those of you that don't know how to get there, TradingView is an app, and you can look at charts, stocks, Forex, pretty much anything you like. So here I am on the BLX chart. So it's called Brave New Coin. I don't want that in there. Alright, so it's called BLX. Brave New Liquidity Index for Bitcoin. So this gives you the furthest date back from Bitcoin, all the way back here in July 2010, and all the way to today. So if we go on the daily chart, so if I'm not mistaken, BLX is always a day behind. So this is yesterday's data. So all I want to do is look at the overall picture, kind of where I screwed up. So on the final rise that we just had before this dump, let me get a little tool here. So on the left hand side, you can probably not see it on my screen, I cut it off, but down. Awesome. So we're going to say this is a corrective zone. Right? Corrective. Now, this is also going to be an ABC. A down here, B, C. Oh. Okay, here we go. This is a better representation of ABC. I can see it easier here. So here's 0 to A to B to C. I don't know why I can't draw upside down. So that to me is a corrective wave as well. So now, on our way down, I'm looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I believe that we are now heading down for a fourth corrective wave. So if we look here, this is going to be 1, 2. So the trend is down. So the impulse wave, wave 1 is going to be down below. The corrective wave will be 2, which will be in the opposite direction of the trend. 3, and I think we're going to have a wave 4 here, possibly go up to like there, and then wave 5. So if you take this and you Google wave 4 retracement levels, what's the most common one? I think it's 38.2% of wave 3. So let's go with that. That was the first thing we found. So now we're going to go here on the left hand side. I have the right tool this time. It's going to be Fibonacci retracement from low to high of wave 2. So this will be wave 3 that we're measuring. And they're saying 0.32. Okay, so this was roughly where that should go here in that area. And then wave 5, Elliott wave 5 length. The fifth wave, if not longest, typically travels 1.61 distance from the start of wave 1 and through the end of wave 3. Wave 3 will often be 1.618 times the length of wave 1. So let's read that again. The fifth wave is if the longest, which is not in this case most likely, because we had quite a long wave 1. We're going through this together. Trying to get a good idea together. Here's another picture that I saw online that I kind of thought here. So we were in a uptrend. We didn't do a 5-wave down yet. We did a 3-wave down, and we did a 3-wave up. Man, I am not doing well in this video. Sorry, guys. I haven't done this in a while. Elliott wave fifth wave fit wave 5 length rules. Okay, but we know Elliott wave is not the longest. So here we go. Classic relationships between waves. Wave 5 is 0.382 or 0.5 or 0.618, the length of wave 1. Okay, so now we found the right information that we were looking for. We can come on here on our tools on our left-hand side. Trend-based fib extension. We know wave 1 here was from the top of C down to here, all the way down in January 22. We know we're going to get at least to 0.382 if this is a corrective wave. And then we know that we're going to be looking for, so we can get rid of this one because we know that's where our retracement is potentially going to be going. So we should be seeing that $37,000, $38,000 level around there. And then we're going to be looking for 0.3 to 0.382 is the first ratio. But that first ratio will not have gone past wave 3. So I'm going to say that's probably not likely. Next one is 0.5, and the next one after that is 0.618. Okay, so that seems likely. So what can we go up to here? 0.1678. Very possible. It all depends kind of where wave 4 ends, how long it takes us to get there. So here's my area, which I'm looking at next, 15,000. So that's one scenario. The other is that wave 5 length to wave 1 is usually 100% of the extension, I believe. Okay, so let's just try this another way. So if we put it upside down, that's my wave 1 top, wave 2 bottom. Another way to measure the wave 3, that's my bottom of wave 3. So here, so wave 4 is 0.382 or 0.5 of length 1. So let's see if there's any confluence the other way we're looking. Oh, so it kind of goes a little too high. Interesting. So maybe we're looking at more of an area here between 30,000 and 38,000. That's our area of interest, I guess. And then you can kind of look back. Okay, over here we had the beginning of wave 1. So I might be leaning more towards 30,000 is our top for wave 4 before seeing a pullback. And that would bring us down even further, maybe down to like $11,000. So my original count when I had done it before was going to be a fib level from here, which is my wave 1 of our from wave C. And then if we are going to say this is our top of wave 4, let's just take the minimum. And then I was thinking a 1-to-1 extension, which is minus $5,000. That's not going to happen. So we're definitely probably looking over here. Like it said, 17,000 we can get a retest. If it holds support, see higher. If not, maybe 12,000, 13,000. So that's kind of our lower target. Still, pretty big move from there. If we do reach the top of the box, you're looking at 30% up to over 50, 60%. And then the potential drop after that is going to be what's impactful. So from the minimum of the box, and if we do go down to, let's say, let's say 13,000. Just say 15,000. You know, it's 50% down. So it's big opportunities to, personally, I'm going to try and buy some more Bitcoin, try and sell on the way up. That's what I'm looking at right now. That's what I'm thinking. I could totally be wrong. I'm not financial advice. As you can tell, I'm no pro, doing this to learn. So in the bigger picture of things, I'm looking at this as this is going to be a wave. So my Twitter, if you go on my Twitter, you can see I said this is wave 3. This is the bottom of wave 4 coming up once we get down here in this level here, and then hopefully continue higher for wave 5. Other option is that this was wave 3, wave 4 bottom here. I don't see it, as this would have been a 5-wave impulse here, and I don't get a 5-wave impulse when I look at it. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'd like to be corrected and learn. And then here, this would be wave 5, and this would be A, B, C, and then this would technically be the end, and we would continue higher. So either way, I think long term we are going higher shortly, not like not long term over years, but like I think that this is definitely a potential next impulse that we should be seeing. We could have finished it now, or we could be going higher to then dump one last time. If we dump one last time, then we'll have our 3-wave impulse down in our trend, which is downwards right now, and we can go from there.